bubuksan ko yung gift ko. Let's go! Go, go, go!
Vlogger yan naman. First, let me see. This one muna. This one to Aya. Happy 3rd birthday from Lola Edna. Love you. O, open mo daw. Wow! What's that?
Kurumi.
Kurumi! Ang ganda naman ah.
Mabuksan mo.
Ano ba to? Merong suklay.
Mabuksan mo.
Merong bag. Merong wand. Ang ganda oh. Oh, next. Next muna, next. This one. To Hiraya from Ninang Marik. So, open. Sirain mo na. Ayan. Wow! Sino to?
Si Dal.
Thank you, Ninang Marik. Next. Oh, this one.
This one.
Ay, this one regalo pala sa akin to nung ano. Sige, open natin. Ah! Love! Pati tayo pang subji. Portable gas stove.
Ayos yun, ah.
Gamit natin to.
Gusto ko
Nakuha
yan.
ko to sa Christmas party namin. Thank you.
Ito.
Oh, this one. Ano yung ganito? To Hiraya from Ninang Marby and Yanyan. Thank you. What's this? Arcade ball. Wow! Ganda!
Mabuksan natin to.
Oh, this one.
One.
To Hiraya from Ninang Marby and Yanyan ulit. Thank you.
Ako.
Oh, sige, sige. I-open it. Wow! Wow!
Wow.
Picnic set! Picnic and tea party set. Wow! Thank you! Thank you, thank you!
Ano naman?
Oh, last but not the least, ay kay baby na Elto from Tita Mari. Thank you! Meron yung baby Elto. Oh! Ay! Nasundin na! Love!
Ay, wow!